This is a planer thicknesser tutorial from the Cambridge Woodwork School here in Cambridge in the UK. So this is a combination machine. It's a planer on the top and a thicknesser below. So we're just going to demonstrate on a piece of what we call 3B2 or 75B50 in new money over here. So we're sliding this across the table. So our pressure here is about 80% on the fence, which we've already checked is nice and square to the table. So we're sliding that through, and like I say, about 80% pressure on the fence and about 20% pressure down onto the table. Now, when we're carrying out this operation, we always must be so mindful that we're taking a hand across the top of the cutter block sometimes, and that we've obviously got to go nowhere near the cutter block. You can use, there's various pusher kind of sticks that you can use to slide the wood through, but I prefer just to use my hands most of the time, but just being mindful of that cutter block spinning around there. Okay, so now I'm about to flip the table up. It's a big old heavy cast iron bed, and I'm taking off the extractor hose. And my God, you do need extraction on these machines because they really throw out the wood chips. So I'm flipping that over. Now the bed on this machine needs to be 150 mil lowered in order to flip over that extraction hose. Just reconnected the hose there. So I'm going to check the thickness of my wood, which is about 44 mil, I believe it was. So I'm going to have to wind up the table all the way to 44 mil. Now, you really want your first pass through to be dead level with the wood. You never know if there's any high spots, or you never know if you measured it in a low part of that wood. So, these machines don't like more than a 1 to 2 mil cut. So, really, just set the cutter table, set the table height to the thickness of the wood on the first pass. And there we go, it's picked up the automatic feed, sliding it through. And yeah, so it's kind of contacted some of the wood, but not all of it. So we're going to wind the table up about 1 mil, and they're going to take the second pass through the machine. It's looking good, but it still needs one more. So 1 more millimetre up. Picks up the automatic feed. Slides through. I'm wearing ear defenders here. I mean, it's not that noisy, but the extractor's probably the noisiest bit. Machine goes off. There we are. We've got 2 nice flat square edges ready for the next operation.